Okay, now in a clock, the time is 11:35 a.m. The clock is so placed that its hour hand is facing northwest. In which direction will be minute hand facing? Northwest, southwest, northeast or southeast? This is a clock and angle question. Again, you need to practice these type of questions a lot. Okay. The time is 11:35. So it will be something like this. Okay. Now this is northwest part. This is going to be the southwest part. Okay. So this becomes north, south, east. This is west. This part is northeast. This part becomes southwest and this becomes southeast. So in this particular position, where is the minute angle? This is going somewhere between southwest and south. In the options you do not have south given, so the answer is going to be southwest, option number